Here we go. Green flag coming out of turn 4. Okay, another one car running up front. They make it clean through turns 1 and 2. Here goes Midford. Midford wants that top spot. Midford coming out of turn 4. He's got the lead. Midford at the stripe. Eric Day. Nick Haddon. As the number 26 car got sideways in front of the field. Eric Henny. Green flag is waving. Midford. Okay. Midford. A lot of action gainer is sideways. No, everybody goes straight. Wow, with a couple sideways. Everybody misses that car. Unbelievable. A lot of talent in this field. Look at Nick Haddon wanting the lead. Nick Haddon working his way up to the front, but then Midford fights back with Eric Zeppi. They right behind Haddon. Midford down to the inside. Midford trying to get around Haddon in number 41. Here comes Eric Day down to the inside around Midford. Kyle Hardwick, he's working hard. Calvin Corinne and Adam Dion going at it for 4th spot, 5th spot. Nick Haddon up front, showing the way around this field. Here comes Eric Day down to the inside of that Chip Motorsports ride. FD Chip ride number 1. Haddon worked his way back down around to the inside. Haddon and Day. Neck and neck. Out of 4. Haddon with 1. Kyle Hardwick working hard to the inside. Hardwick, and then Nick Haddon's going to fight back down to the inside. No, Midford's going to be there. And then Calvin Corinne's in the mix. Corinne came in with the 07. Up front, Kyle Hardwick in the number 19. Adam Dion's getting into the mix back there in 6th spot. Halfway. We're only halfway. Nick Haddon, Midford was trying to get around Hardwick. Hardwick was slowing down in that number 19. He went from 1st to 5th. Corinne up to 4th spot. You gotta hand it to Corinne. That car's moving. Meanwhile, up front, Nick Haddon in the number 41 ride. Midford right behind him with Eric Day. And big stretch that I'm single file nose to tail. Oh, we got a spin in turn 4. Bill Bradley in the 2020 ride. He's going to bring it back out onto the asphalt. Up front. Midford takes the lead. In back in hand, Eric Day. They both work their way around Nick Haddon. Now look at Day. Eric Day's the number 1 car. He wants the lead. He's working his way around Midford. Nick Haddon's, I guarantee, is going to get up there and fight for that as well. Here comes Calvin Corinne. Corinne could possibly have the fastest car out here. He's worked his way from all the way in the back. In 7th spot, he's up to 3rd. 2 laps to go. Does he have enough time? Midford's looking down to the inside of Eric Day. Day has got the lead. Midford in 2nd spot. Calvin Corinne down in 3rd. Nick Haddon back and 4th. Kyle Hardwick in 5th spot. Adam Dion falling back in 6th. The white flag is waving. Midford gets sideways. Corinne up to 2nd spot. Haddon gets around Midford. Midford bobbled real bad. Now Hardwick's going to try to get around him now. Look at Calvin Corinne. Calvin Corinne down to the inside. Look at victory. Coming up in turn 4. Calvin Corinne coming out. And then tag. Coming across the street. We've got our victor, Calvin Corinne. Nick Haddon crossing the stripe in reverse.